I do not want to stream a video, but I am. Okay, just gonna wait for us to go in. So, I know my mouse is in a circle, you can't hear them. Still remember all of that. Okay, let's just go in. Good on. Yay, I'm back. I finished the intro. I finished the super intro, guys. That's embarrassing. I'm just gonna, we did. We're waiting for you to ready up. I know that's the thing. That's what happens to me. I'm just gonna, us. Okay, just leave and go back. Okay, I'm gonna pause this video. Oh yeah, look at Journey do his dance. Yeah, I'm back. I'm just gonna pause it until we land. Remember, this video is about Full Sweat. The video is on now, even though I didn't even land. Remember, this video is about Full Sweat. I'm pretty sad. The limit of me making this video is only 15 minutes. I can't make it for like the whole day, like 1 hour or something. Oh no, I hear somebody. I got a weapon! Don't want to kill me! I got kind of loud these days now. Marshall, can you just admit that I got kind of loud now? Like a lot. Yeah, pretty much. I don't know why. I got a gun. Ooh, I found a chest. It's my chest. I found something good. It's my chest though. You guys can't. I'll give you a dumb weapon. I'll give you this dumb weapon. Dang it, there's a kid on me. There's a kid on me, Ben! What the heck are you doing, Ben? Go to your gun! Kill him! I didn't kill him because you were blocking my way, that kid. That kid is blocking. Kill him! Oh, he's gonna die, isn't he? Get my reboot. Let's go. Okay, let me just pause the video. I do not want to be embarrassed, but I am already embarrassed. So, I might want to cut it, but I don't know how to cut it. So, let's just... Rick Sanchez! I'm a big fan of you! Can you sign my buddy? Oh! No, you're the first. Just jump. I don't know where to jump. Guys. No, I got it dirty. Guys, just pretend that game never happened. In our life, it just never happened. That game just never existed. Because that game, we messed up. You know, I'm just going to forget about that game. I don't want to talk about it anymore. I seriously don't. Who wants to talk about that? Who wants to talk? I'm taking off my socks. These socks are so uncomfortable. Ugh. Holy crap, my headphones are off now.
I'm heading to Daddy where there's literally no weapon.
Do you want me to tell you what I have? I have grenades. No one will. Boogie bomb. Are they still here? Items! I got a weapon. I got a purple sniper. Yeah. Okay, run. I hear somebody. No one come near me. Don't come near me. I got a grenade. Whoever wants grenaded. Yeah. I meant the enemies. I hear somebody. I don't have a weapon, just grenades. Just grenades! Help me! Help me! I only have just grenades! Help me! Don't kill me, please don't kill me. Oh my god! Oh, he was on full HP. I pickaxed one person that was on full HP. This game isn't fair. Oh no, someone's here. This game is rigged, mate. Solo. Holy crap, I need to med up. Why did you leave them, Ben? I just gotta hope they don't. Please don't search me. Please don't search me. Please don't search me. Please don't search me. I said, please don't search. Please don't search me. I need to reload. Oh, sorry. Oh, I killed you. Yay. You suck. Huh, you suck, dude. You suck, little dude. You're trying to get your mama home. What do you mean assault rifle? Wait, can I have those minis? I'll give you an assault rifle. I'll give him. Okay, then get. No, you do it first. Okay, I'll give you a heavy assault rifle. Fine. Do you want an assault rifle? Here. Quickly, Ben's gonna steal it. Come here. No, I took it. Here. Just wait. Can you guys just... Seriously? Okay. Oh, Ben, if you take that... Okay, we're gonna die. Unless you give me that pump. Cause Ben also stole that tack, and I'm the best with tacks. So we're gonna die here. I'm the best with shotguns. Come on. I need to pee first. So don't mind me, just gonna pee. Do you guys know where the toilets are? Before I just saw a toilet. I literally got to pee real bad. Fine. I don't know where to pee, so I think I'm just gonna pee in a Okay, I stopped peeing. It doesn't teleport me. I thought it teleported me. Okay, I'm just gonna pause the video until the near the end of the game. Bye. I did not see the fight, but this guy's cracked. Okay, my friend just gone. There's somebody else in the river. Okay, heal me. Get me. You can't do it without me. No, just get him. Who cares about us? What did I say? Okay, I guess I can end this video.